accountable manager liya hai sir. He has had a long aviation innings. He had his education with the Patiala College and took his basics license on Pushpak aircraft in 1985. Thereafter, he joined Vaidut as trainee AV. After a couple of years in Vaidut, he has moved to Indian Airlines as a technician. The first time I got to meet him was when we were doing the JTAD course together. याद है सर? पहली बार वहीं पे इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ था. Thereafter, he went on to take his AV license, and he was a bit unlucky to be posted to any shop. Lucky. You had 77 ANC, na? Yeah. 77 ANC, and in 1993 you were posted to line maintenance for about a couple of months when everyone was doing 320 course in 1993. And thereafter he remained in the engine shop. He went on to take the IASA and FAA approval for the engine shop. After leaving the engine shop, he was looking after the base maintenance and the shops in Delhi. During that period, he took his A320 complete B1 license. Thereafter, he became the GM in Delhi, Executive Director, and now the CEO.
And the story continues.
And the same also.
Marketing also.
He is having complete experience of the different sections of the airlines. Versatile experience. And he has always been a tough boss and a good friend. Unfortunately, you were there only for two months as CEO. Had he remained here for 2 years, he would have corrected all of us. So, first of all, let me just invite his old friend to give him a bouquet. Ajao, sir. Sudhir sir, ajao.
Yeah.
Mr. Sudhir Jain, Captain Sudhir Jain, was his batchmate in Patiala. Then both of them were selected as flight engineers in Indian Airlines. One person joined, second person did not join. Sudhir Jain, welcome. So would you like to say something?
Yes. Sir Mansell is a very good friend of mine. And really he is showing a lot of sincerity. As you said, very tough boss. Even as the ED Airlines, he troubled me a lot. But again, he is having such a good TR that he go anywhere and everywhere. He'll be having some persons. And maintaining seniority is mine. Next 10 years, who is going to go where? I was trying to do something, but he's just watched me in that also. He knows each and every person, when he is going to retire, when he is going to get promotion, other things. And as a CEO, as you said, yes, he tried his level best, but 2 months is too short a time. Still, he's putting something on the track. I will try to continue the same path. So that he just put ASL in a better position. I wish you best of luck, a happy retired life, and probably to join back with us sometime in some capacity. Thank you.
Guidance are always useful for me. I wish you for happy life.
I've seen him without paper, he's talking about why we are looking at maybe Vayu Bhavan gateway solution, or why we are not going for the encryption. What is the issue? Hats off, and I really wish him well. And I hope he joins back. So, thank you, sir.
कई इतना ही नहीं बल्कि बहुत सारे काम अच्छे अच्छे हुए हैं। इसी की वजह से मैं होप करता हूँ कि शायद दोबारा इनको मौका मिलेगा किसी न किसी कैपेसिटी में, और एविएशन से तो जुड़े ही रहेंगे। मैं सबके अच्छे रिटायरमेंट लाइफ की शुभकामनाएं करता हूँ।
I was so amazed at his positive attitudes towards the camo and car and functions, which I never realized when he was GM Northern Region. और grasping power, मतलब हम कुछ बोलते हैं इनको पहले समझ आता, and he used to guide us, and I am really thankful that as ED airline, he was supported to the whole car camo functions. Really thankful, sir.
Thank you. I mean, he has got excellent relationship in the whole of headquarters with everybody. And the way he commands things, it may be wide body, narrow body, shops or anywhere, I have never heard any refusal to him, you know. And I am going to miss him. We had some lovely times and I really learned from him a lot. So I wish you all the very best and I hope that in some capacity you will definitely come back. Thank you so much.
Few words and a song. Few words and a song.
Rest of these lines are very meaningful to our friendship life, our love life, part of it. कल खेल में हम हो न हो, गर्दिश में तारे रहेंगे सदा। कल खेल में हम हो न हो।
Just came and went off, पता ही नहीं लगा. 2 months was too small. So sir, I wish you all the best and I think we will keep the same relationship whether you are part of the company or not. You are part of our larger picture. So all the best to you along with your family. All the best.
Actually, I don't like to give a farewell bid to anybody because I normally try to develop.
Because settlement करना पड़ता है.
Whenever I develop a relation with anybody, I started with GM Western Region, then GM Marketing, ED Airlines, and CEO. And I'm yet to eagerly looking for his 5th role. He worked as also a recovery agent for us. So that also goes well with him. Whether it is to get the business, whether to get the money, and always a concern and the future of the company. So I wish him a very healthy and happy retired life, and this is the best time to get retired. I don't know, he is retiring from our company and I don't know from where we will retire. We don't even know that. And I'm sure later or sooner final settlement will come, but for us it is a question mark still. Anyway, thank you and best wishes to you, Mr. Bansal, and at the same time, welcome back to Delhi, Mr. Senthil, and congratulations and best wishes for the higher responsibilities. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We have one of the respected person sitting here. A lot of things have been said about me, and I don't know whether I deserve with that or not. One thing that I really worked with the concept of we, not with the I. One thing what is there in the mind, you have to choose your goal first. And when you choose your goal, you have to achieve that goal. And how to achieve that goal? That is with the we concept, you can achieve that. Because the I concept remains a very different, and when you work as a team, you have to push the team. The correction has to be there in the team. Yes, I have worked in the different roles. Only thing is that when I was out of that shop, I never felt that I was down or something like that. I stood up like anything and then worked hard, and the area which I worked around 30 years back. I had to work in that. A lot of things I learned from there, and working in Indian overall and maintenance is a very, very different concept. Of course, the different capacity. And whenever I have chosen a goal, I have not done anything wonder. No wonder has been done by it. It is a we or you people who have done the wonder. Because ultimately the work was done by the down the line people, whether as a GM I was there, or as the ED, only the GM, the down the line, even a helper has contributed in that. That is why whatever we could achieve with that. That is the only thing, it is in the mind, with that concept I have. We keep on achieving in the organizations, not to mention all these things, because the organization keeps on going. People keep on achieving all the things. Only the concept should remain. The basic concept always remains. The basic is always remains. They never die. And I thank you for your all support. And one thing is I would like to mention that a very ambitious project during my tenure I have started, which is in a very, very initial phase. It's a land at Noida International. I have started this project. I'll expect my successor should take it forward. I have a meeting with the CEOs of the Yamuna Express Development Authority and the CEO of the Noida International. And they are very, very positive. They were delighted that at least somebody has approached us. And UP government is ready to give us land in the month of April only. And Noida International Airport, they are ready. You bring your project report and all, everything. They are really supporting us. That's a new project started during just 15 days back only. Because one day I was going in car and it struck in my mind, why not to have a land for the MRO facility? And to UP government, we were the first person to approach. Because there will be 2 MROs at the Noida International Port. One by the government of UP, another by the Noida International. So with the future lies there, now we have to think ahead what is going to happen after 10 years. Regarding this AISL, yes, the future is bright, but with a question mark. I am speaking from my heart. We should have a CEO or sitting at the position who has a vision and have to take some drastic step within 1 year. Because with the privatization of the Air India and the captive workload, we have to stand in the market. The projects, 3 projects right now going, whether it's a marketing third party, the DRDO project and the SCSF project. There is a lot of potential in this. We'll have to change our some attitude, because I have worked with Air Force for 30 years on 737. They are really, we have a well-clean house and we can really make the money. And we don't have to beg to give us the money, nothing. You raise the bill, you get money, everything. The SCSF project is going to save us. The DRDO project is going to save, whether then if Air India gets privatized and we may get, let's say, 40% of the share, present what we are earning from Air India. So these 2 projects run, and we have to do a lot of marketing. There is a lot of potential in the market, but we are not really able to tap the market. Lot of potential. MRO has, government is supporting us. present government is supporting us, ministry is supporting us. But only thing is कि we have to, I'm really sorry to say that attitude and all, but we really, because I have, in my capacity as a GM, ED and marketing, I have worked with every airline. There are a lot of changes in our attitude we have done, but needs more changes. Because when you go to market, you learn a lot of things. I have not learned anything when I went to the market. People told me how to do things. In 8 hours of job we do it, but 10 hours. Hardly we are working for half an hour. 7.5 hours we are learning only. In the schools, we used to pay money to learn, whereas in the job we take money and learn the job. Now a lot of young people are here. I wish all the best for all the people. And thank you very much for your support and the honor and love you have given me today also and during my tenure. I am really thankful for my co-workers. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. So, thanks a lot, sir. And we wish you all very, very happy, healthy, and retired. And look forward to be working with you again. So, thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. Thanks, thank you.
Thank you.
सर अभी कुछ जलपान का अरेंजमेंट किया
यही में
हाँ जी
आपके पड़ोस का ही है सर, आपके पड़ोस का ही है, बता दिया।
चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए। चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए। मिलन की मस्ती भरी आँखों में, हजारों सपने सुहाने लिए हो। चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए।